Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll tune into positive emotions. We easily focus on our challenges and problems, that we often overlook the good things that are also happening around us. But when we consciously turn towards beauty and pleasantness, we create a sense of ease and contentment, no matter the situation. So let's get started. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Sit tall, letting your back straighten without creating tension. And gently close your eyes. Relax your shoulders and arms. Soften your forehead, your temples. Relax your entire face. And now, turn towards your breath. Feel the cool air entering and the warmth of your exhale. And for the next few moments, notice your breath flowing in and out of your body. Now, without overthinking it, bring to mind a recent moment where you felt happy and relaxed. It doesn't have to be complicated. It might be as simple as sharing a meal with loved ones, enjoying a warm bath, or having a good conversation with a friend. And if you can't think of anything right now, focus on the gift of this very moment, this meditation practice. Notice what it feels like to rest your attention on a pleasant moment. What sensations arise in your body? Where are these sensations located? How do they shift or change as you notice them? For the next few moments, stay with the physical sensations of pleasantness. Open up to whatever you are feeling, welcoming and accepting whatever is present. Now, continue to stay with your recent experience of happiness or ease and observe if any emotions arise. You might feel hope. You may notice yourself wanting more. Or perhaps there is a little discomfort at the thought of feeling good when life is challenging. Allow whatever emotions arise to be present without judging or labeling them. Notice how they naturally shift and transform. And keep encouraging and welcoming feelings of joy and ease. Now, notice the types of thoughts that arise when you turn towards the positive. Is there a more spacious feeling that occurs? Or do you keep falling back into disappointment? Just take note of what is present, letting go of whatever stories you are telling yourself, returning to the pleasant sensations and emotions again and again. And now, let your attention widen. Our brains are wired to notice danger and threats. As a means of survival, we naturally focus on what's going wrong. In and of itself, that's not a bad thing. It's how we've evolved as a human species. But even though we're not in danger of being attacked by a lion, our brain can easily stay stuck in a negative loop. That's why it's important to train ourselves to notice the positive, generating pleasant emotions as often as we can. Turning towards the positive isn't about faking joy or happiness. It isn't about denying our emotions or pretending nothing is wrong. Instead, it's a practice that allows us to recognize that even when things are difficult, some elements of our experience are positive. Instead of ignoring them, we can lean into them. This creates a more balanced life view. It doesn't have to be complicated. Train yourself to acknowledge simple moments of happiness. Notice the joy of a warm shower, the pleasure of a cool breeze, or the friendliness of a genuine smile. The more you open up to it, the easier it becomes to recognize happiness. But remember, this is a practice that can take time to develop, and that's okay. Don't give up. Do your best, and remember to be gentle with yourself. Now, take a deep breath. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.